Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to have voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on three dot over here, go to settings, now go to in privacy. So in privacy, once you here and you have to check whether you have microphone or not. If you don't have microphone, guys, I'll show you how can you get it. So as per the Roblox website, you must be 13 plus and phone number verified to get voice chat. You must be in these 10 countries if you want to get voice chat without ID. If you are not in these countries, then you have to use ID verification to enable chat with voice. So you can verify your phone number by going into account info, enter your number and just use the one-time password method to verify your number, and instantly you will get the microphone or voice chat feature in the privacy. And once you get it, guys, you can open it. Just enable the voice chat from the privacy, and now you can open any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open this game. Now once you enter in the game, once you enable the voice chat from the privacy, just tap on mic or avatar set to enable voice chat. So yeah, that's how you can use it, voice chat as well. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.